And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us their headlamp with smart sensor and mini design. Not really any information around the box for you, nothing you'd need. So let's open it on up. There is the company name and the sticker, headlamp flashlight. So we have a nice headlamp, and that's it for the box. So they include a little USB-C cable to recharge the headlamp because it's rechargeable. Love that they include the cable for you. And then a little instruction manual here, and then the headlamp. So you can see this just goes right over your head, and everything is all wired and connected already. So on the front is all of your different lights, and if you press your power button, you get the middle light. Then you can dim that one, get these two lights on each side, dim that one, get all the lights at once, or red lights, or flashing red lights for like SOS, and then no lights at all. So you are able to easily adjust this depending on how you might need it. And I believe this is for the little smart sensor. When you press this button, it cuts it on there. And if you needed more light, it would give you more light. Outside of that, on the back here, you can see exactly how much charge you have when you're charging up your headlamp, and your USB-C port is right there to charge. You even get a little light here, perfect for like riding a bike or something like that. You, of course, don't have to use that, but it is an option. So I want to put this on my head, and we'll take it out back in the pitch black, show you exactly how bright this headlamp with smart sensor actually is. Let's do it. Do like the little charging indicator you get as you're charging your headlamp. There we go. Headlight is on, and we are ready to go. See how bright it is. All right, so my backyard has a little bit of light, mainly from the other house, but there is the first, go to widescreen. There's the first brightness setting, and then that is the brighter bright. And that's all three, the red, and off. So as you can tell, great for a spotlight. We can see the dog all the way over there, see the fire pit. And then if you need a little more width, you can switch it to that one, or get both with this one. Very nice light at the end of the day. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send it to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.